Hey guys, this is Scott from Trim That Weed. In today's video, we will be talking about Frigidaire refrigerator error code H1. But first, what does error code H1 mean? On Frigidaire refrigerators, the error code H1 signifies a high temperature in either the freezer or refrigerator section. The error code appears when the temperature surpasses 26 degrees Fahrenheit in the freezer or 55 degrees Fahrenheit in the refrigerator. The following are some of the common causes of the error code H1. Faulty thermistor. The thermistor in your refrigerator serves to track the temperature and relay the information to the control board. A malfunctioning thermistor may send erroneous temperature data to the control board, resulting in the appearance of the H1 error code. Dirty condenser coils. The condenser coils help maintain a cool environment by taking heat from within the refrigerator and expelling it outside. Over time, dust and dirt can accumulate on the coils, hindering their ability to dissipate heat and causing your refrigerator to have overheating issues. Faulty door seal. The door seal is designed to ensure warm air does not infiltrate your refrigerator. If the door seal is compromised, warm air can seep into your refrigerator through the openings. Now let's look at the best solutions you can apply to fix the error code H1. Inspect the thermistor. Doing this can help you figure out whether the error is because of a faulty thermistor. Try the following. Detach your refrigerator from the power outlet. Find the thermistor either within the freezer compartment or behind the rear panel. Access the thermistor for damage or loose wiring. Verify the functionality of the thermistor with a multimeter. If the thermistor shows no continuity, opt for a new one. Then reassemble other parts and power your Frigidaire refrigerator. Clean the condenser coils. Follow the steps below. Detach your refrigerator out of the electrical outlet or switch off the breaker. Then access the condenser coils. You can find them on the back or underneath your Frigidaire refrigerator. Using a long-handled brush or vacuum, clean the dirty coils. Reinstall the removed parts and power your refrigerator. Examine the door seals. Examine the door seals closely for any signs of deterioration or damage. Test the door seal by inserting a thin strip of paper between it and the door frame. If the paper slips out effortlessly when you try to remove it, the seal might not be providing a snug closure. Swap out the seal if it appears to be compromised or worn. Thanks for watching.